Hello and welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr and today we're standing next to this gorgeous brand new 2019 Scout 300 LXF. It's got this nice hull color with the midnight blue with the Scout white accent stripe. You can see the nice bow flare that this boat has. Really offers you a great ride, nice dry ride when you're offshore fishing with your buddies or enjoying the day out on the water with your family. Continuing around the back here, you can see we got this equipped with the twin 300 Mercury Verados. This also comes with the joystick piloting, which I'll point out again when we get to the helm area. Gonna climb aboard here using that swim step right there. Comes out off of the back of the boat. Great way to get in and out of the water if you are hanging out with the family and the kids are swimming. Also, you notice the nice walk-through transom door that we can close off. If you are bringing on a big fish, you can do it through there as well. You do have fish boxes in the floor here. Nice setup back here on the back of the helm station. Got a little bit of a well right here and a nice Yeti cooler underneath there that you can keep drinks or some fish in out for the day. As you come aboard, you're gonna see you got the nice fold-down transom seat back here. Great place to ride with, while you're headed out, or if you just needed that extra seating for people out on the water that day. Continuing up to the helm station here, point out the ultra leather that we have on this boat. Really a great option. Just gives you that nice luxury feel, and it is an upgraded vinyl, so it'll last very well, cleans very easily and all that. Nice bolsters here, great way to set up for seating. Get up and have that nice 360 view. You can notice the nice hard top, a lot of coverage on this boat. Get the full wraparound windshield as well. While we're here at the helm, again, nice digital throttles, and again, that joystick piloting that does have the sky hook. So if you are out wreck fishing or something like that, you can pop that sky hook on and it'll keep you in that location there. Twin Garmin set up with the screens, also the Mercury vessel view, and the trim tab option there as well. Continuing forward, gonna come around here. I'm gonna step out of the way. You can notice the nice large area down underneath the helm. Do have the head in there, as well as you could do some overnight accommodations for 2 people if you needed to stay somewhere. Continue forward, nice wide walkways, really high up on the side. So again, I point out that fishing, everything is easy. You got nice grab rails, something to lean on. These are out of the way, nothing to get snagged on. You do have a nice sun pad here. Great for 2 people. It does have the armrests that flip out as well. Just a nice comfortable spot to hang out. And then underneath, nice large storage locker. So all your ropes, fenders, all that kind of stuff, any fishing equipment you can store under there. Continuing forward, nice wraparound bow seating. You do have removable backrests if you want to get them out of the way, or if you do have the family on board, nice big seating option. Again, that bow still wraps all the way around, very comfortable. And then last thing up at the front here, windlass with your controls, as well as the controls back at the helm. So that was a quick walkthrough of this 2019 Scout 300 LXF. Again, my name is Bill Herr. If you want to come see this boat in person, give us a call, 609-926-0600. Thank you.